How to change name font on Instagram. Open your browser, type IG fonts in the search bar, open the website, type your Instagram name. You'll see different styles here. Tap and hold on that one you like. Now copy it, go back to your Instagram, open the app, tap on your profile icon, tap on edit profile. Now tap on name, tap and hold on your name. Now paste it. Once you are done, tap the check mark to save. That's it. Your stylist name is now updated and you will see the change right away on your profile.